Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to install a serpentine belt on a Mazda 5 2012. It's a piece of shit stretch belt and it's pretty difficult to install if you go by the manual. So I found a different way to install it, which is pretty easy. I'm just gonna show you. There is an idler pulley here. There are 3 bolts on it, 2 on the top and 1 at the bottom. You basically loosen the one at the bottom and remove the 2 from the top, which makes the idler pulley pivot. You route the belt where it goes, leaving the idler pulley left. You put the belt on the idler pulley whilst is rotated towards the frame rail, and you take a big pry bar and you put it on the frame rail and you pry the idler pulley back into position, putting the 2 bolts back in. It's very easy to do and it's much easier than buying special tools to stretch the fucking belt on the AC compressor. Thanks for watching.